Welcome to the city of dreams where luxury knows no limits. From breathtaking beachfront villas to sky-high penthouses, Dubai is home to some of the most extravagant houses in the world. From modern architectural masterpieces to palatial estates, this city is a playground for the rich and famous. Today, we're counting down the top 10 houses in Dubai. Let's take a look inside the world of ultra-luxury living. 10. Waterfront Mansion. This house is located in one of Dubai's most prestigious waterfront communities. It boasts breathtaking views of the sea and skyline, offering complete privacy and exclusivity. The design is sleek and modern, featuring expansive glass walls that allow natural light to flood the interiors. This home is designed for those who appreciate open spaces and seamless indoor-outdoor living. 9. Hillside Villa. Perched on an elevated plot, this house offers stunning panoramic views of the city. The architecture blends contemporary aesthetics with natural elements, creating a serene retreat away from the bustling metropolis. Inside, you'll find vast open-plan living spaces, soaring ceilings, and carefully curated interiors that exude sophistication. 8. Palm Jumeirah Estate. Situated on the iconic Palm Jumeirah, this estate is a statement of grandeur. The home features a private beachfront, giving its owners direct access to the pristine waters of the Arabian Gulf. The interior design embraces opulence, with custom-made furnishings and high-end materials sourced from around the world. This property redefines coastal luxury living in Dubai. 7. Contemporary Masterpiece. This home is a work of art, designed by a world-renowned architect. The sleek lines and futuristic structure make it a standout property in Dubai's luxury housing market. Smart home technology is integrated throughout, allowing residents to control everything from lighting to security with a touch of a button. This property represents the future of modern living. 6. Golf Course Retreat. Nestled within an exclusive golf community, this property offers a tranquil escape while still being in the heart of the city. The house is surrounded by lush greenery and perfectly manicured fairways, providing a peaceful setting. The interiors feature a blend of classic and contemporary elements, creating a timeless aesthetic that appeals to those who enjoy refined living. 5. Desert Oasis Villa. This property stands out for its unique desert-inspired design. Surrounded by vast landscapes, it offers a sense of seclusion and tranquility rarely found in Dubai. The architecture incorporates traditional Middle Eastern elements with modern touches, resulting in a stunning fusion of heritage and innovation. This home is perfect for those who want to experience the beauty of the desert while enjoying luxury living. 4. Penthouse in the sky. Rising above the city, this penthouse is one of the highest residences in Dubai, with floor-to-ceiling windows offering breathtaking 360-degree views. This home provides an unmatched living experience. The interiors are adorned with bespoke furnishings, and every detail is designed to maximize comfort and luxury. This penthouse is the epitome of high-rise elegance. 3. Arabian Palace. Inspired by traditional Middle Eastern palaces, this house is a magnificent blend of heritage and modernity. The grand entrance, intricate detailing, and handcrafted decor create an ambiance of royalty. It features massive courtyards, lavish fountains, and stunning domed ceilings. This estate is for those who appreciate cultural opulence on a grand scale. 2. Ultra-modern Smart Villa. This villa represents the pinnacle of modern living. Designed with cutting-edge technology, it features AI-powered home automation that caters to every need of the residents. The design incorporates futuristic elements, sustainable features, and an open-plan concept that enhances functionality and style. It's a dream home for tech-savvy individuals who love innovation. 1. Billionaire's Mega Mansion. Taking the #1 spot is a mansion that redefines extravagance. This estate spans multiple acres and includes everything from a private helipad to a luxury cinema and a personal spa. Every inch of this property is designed for the ultimate in comfort and prestige, making it one of the most desirable homes in the world. It's the pinnacle of high-end living in Dubai. Dubai is truly a city of dreams where luxury knows no limits. Which of these homes would you love to live in? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible luxury home tours. Thanks for watching.